Discord and Epic Games are collaborating and giving away free Nitro again. I will show you every step on how to get the Nitro. Before that, join my Discord server for free decors and layouts. It's a friendly community. Back to the topic, first click the link in the video's description. Now you just need to fill out the details. First, write your birth date. Just make sure you mention any 18 years old year. Now you will come to this page, click Get button and now sign up with any methods you want. I will use Google. Write your email address. You will be asked to write your OTP number, which you will get in your email inbox. Once that's done, you will get this notification. No need to download that launcher, because after some time you will receive an email from Epic Games. Go to your email and redeem your Nitro. I am not getting Nitro because this is for new users or people who haven't had Nitro for 12 months or more. But don't forget that even if you get Nitro, you would need payment method like PayPal, debit card, or credit card. So that's all the news from me. If you like the video, hit like and subscribe button.